Hello, everybody, again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we will continue the fifth principle in the HACCP plan for our OPRP, which is sorting of orange, which is OPRP number one. To establishing the most accurate corrective action, you must answer the four mentioned question in your HACCP plan. So the first question is what? What corrective action we are establishing? We are establishing if there is any deviation, and this sentence and this word is very important. If there is any deviation in the OPRP, okay, deviation in the sorting process, okay. So if the sorting process results in more than 3%, because if you can mention here, we have mentioned here that the 3% rejection are our maximum, which is our critical limit. So if there is any deviation, which means that there is results more than 3% rejection percentage, so corrective action shall be taken when detecting when we are making this corrective action when detecting more than 3% in any physical hazard, either rotten orange fruit and other unneeded fruits. So when establishing corrective action, we must answer four questions: what, output, when, and who for the OPRP, for the first OPRP. So what are our output? The output are the rejected product or rejected orange fruits, which is more than 3% rejection. So we are here defining what our output from this corrective action. When we are establishing a corrective action, so we are establishing the corrective action immediately after the deviation in any process in the sorting process, either this process from the people who are sorting or manually sorting the product, or from the machine which are having any issue in sorting process. So we are using two kind of non-conformity, either by the people, we can mention here manually. For example, one labor forgot to sort quantities. For example, one labor are not responsible for accurate sorting for the product. So we must have immediately and corrective action. And the other side, if there is any malfunction in the sorting process or in the sorting machine, so the machine must be under the umbrella of the preventive maintenance, which we know after that in the verification process, which is the third principle of the HACCP plan. Okay, who are responsible of establishing this corrective action? For our just examples, the production labor and or the quality inspector after approval from the quality manager and the production manager. Why these two must or shall approve? Because there must be a trend on annual basis, while you are viewing all your OPRPs and CCPs in the annual review of the HACCP plan, to review your overall trends of the HACCP plan. So these are the establishing of the corrective action. Stay with us. In the upcoming video, I will continue all the OPRPs and all the CCPs in the video. Best of luck of all of you, and goodbye.